welcome back to another video. I know that I kind of look semi-crazy because not because I have my slap on, but because it looks very like lopsided. So today I thought that it might be cool if I did like a lock tour while kind of in the midst of retightening my hair still, similar to like a car tour or an apartment tour or a house tour. This is just a tour of my hair. I thought that it would be cool if you guys got to see what my hair looks like while it's not perfect at all. I need to wash my hair. My hair is like in different stages in the retightening process. Some of it is done, some of it is not. It's just incomplete. Just incomplete is the word right now. I got this lock tour idea from a lock YouTuber. Her name is QueeninWitKi. I'll leave her channel name down below so that y'all can see and check out some of her videos. We should just make like a little tag out of it. So I tag everybody that's watching this video to do a lock tour. Show us all of your locks, since this is a DIY process. All of our locks are not going to be perfect. Before I take my slap off, I just wanted to kind of update you guys on my hair journey. If you're new, hi, my name is TyKara. I started my microlock journey in November of 2018, so I was 16 years old whenever I decided to lock my hair. I have over 600 locks. I have 644 locks. Started with 2-strand twist, and my method of retightening is the interlocking method, which I do a 4-point rotation. If you're interested in knowing how I get my hair retightened, my mom does it. My mom started my locks. She's not a beautician, she's not a loctician. We are just doing this. This is just one big experiment with my hair and hers. She also has Microlocs. If you're interested in seeing how she retightens my hair, I have 2 interlocking videos on my channel. One of them was my very first interlocking session. The other one that I have is more recent. So if you're looking to check those out, I'll have those 2 videos linked in the description box. So you can check that out down below if you want to see how she interlocks my hair, how long it takes, all of that. Alright. Are we ready for the big reveal? I don't think we are. Okay. So, straight out of the slab, this is what my hair looks like. I have not moisturized my hair in days. I have not twisted my hair, braided it. I have not done any type of manipulation to it in weeks. I cannot take myself seriously. Okay, so I guess what we're gonna start with is the top. I'm just gonna let you guys see what I do to refresh my locks, I guess. And then I'm going to show you guys some up close views of my hair and some locks that I found to be very interesting. Alright, so now that I have kind of gotten my hair into the shape that I want it to be, the first thing that I do is, of course, spritz my hair with some water. So you guys know that I do not use any extra products at all. I use water, rose water. Every now and again I will use what's in my little oil concoction. So in the spray bottle, all I have is distilled water and rosemary essential oil. Now why rosemary essential oil? Because I read that that promotes hair growth, so I've just been using that. But I'm pretty sure that you can use whatever essential oil that you would like. I got this essential oil from Whole Foods. I'm pretty sure you can find it at Walmart. You can order it online. I have a link to this down below in the description box. So I'm just gonna, I sprayed that in my eye. So I'm just gonna spray my hair with some water. I don't like to do too much, like to get my hair soaking wet. And the reason why is just because I feel like my hair doesn't really need it. I'm really shocked at how little product I have used in my hair within this past year. And it has never gotten like bone dry. It just gets a little stiff, you know, whenever you don't spray it with water, just a little stiff. But it doesn't get like bone dry, like a desert Sahara dry. That makes me kind of wonder, like with my loose natural hair journey, did we really need all that product to like make our hair grow, or was it just, you know, like a marketing scheme? I don't know. I know that my mom takes a little bit of this oil probably like weekly and just like scrunches it into her locks like this. But I know that she has more problems with drier locks than I do. This is the famous lock. I have pointed this lock out before, kind of telling you guys like this is kind of what my hair looks like because I braided the ends of this lock. But my mom was looking at it the other day and she was like, wait, that's not braided, that's 2-strand twisted. These 2 locks I find it very interesting that these are both 2-strand twisted, but the way that they sealed is just completely different. This one sealed like super thin, and then this one is really fat. This looks like it was braided though. It's so hard to believe to me, because this is exactly what my ends look like that were braided. This is also my longest lock because it just kind of hangs awkwardly, and I don't like that part, because whenever I do twist outs or braid outs or just have my hair simply just down, you see how it just hangs like at an awkward straight length, and then the rest of them are just kind of more shrunken, so it just looks awkward to me. I have thought about cutting it to make it the same as the rest, but then I just thought then it wouldn't be like a special lock anymore, so I'm just gonna leave it. I want to show you guys what my hair looks like, but I don't want to call it a hair update because there's nothing new that I'm doing. I just want to kind of show you guys what my hair is looking like in the middle of retightening. Like I said before, some of my locks are done, some of them are not, so I'll just let y'all take a look. I just found a clip in my head. I didn't even know this was in there. Are there any more? I promise that my parts are straight. I just can't see. I think I need glasses. I also have a lot of these split end problems, so I have to go back and re-braid them. I did want to show y'all these in the back though. These are my most solid locks here in the back. I wouldn't say that these are locked all the way, but they are further along than all of my other locks, especially like these little short itty bitty ones. So if any of you guys have watched any of my older videos in my microlock journey, then you know that I started my locks with 14 inches of hair. Now it's time for a length check. Okay, I wish I had help, but this is I can't even show y'all correctly. Let me try to bring it around. I did that so awkwardly. So I started with about 14 inches of hair, and now we are at a little over 16.5 inches. So this one is in the very front. Let's see. So the front is about 10 to 11 inches, and then let's check like the middle of my hair. I know my crown, whenever I big chopped, the crown was just all messed up, so we're gonna see. Oh, y'all, look at this bud. Can y'all see that? This stops right here. Like 11.5. Alright, so that was my length check. I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. If you have any other videos that you would like for me to do, leave them in the comments down below. Let me know what you thought about this video in the comments down below. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you'll always be notified whenever I post a new video. TyKara signing off, and I'm out.
If you're doing what everyone else is doing, you're doing it wrong.
One of the best to ever do it.